Subscribe to my channel Vairu and hit the bell notification icon to get the latest updates. If you love the videos, please don't forget to hit the like button and share them with your friends, and also leave your feedback in the comment section below. Additionally, you may also follow me on some of the major social media sites online, of which links are mentioned in the description below.
So I'm using the multi-view mode on this phone, and I want you guys to check the image stabilization of the front camera. I will be climbing steps right now. I'm not using any kind of gimbal, so you can check I'm climbing the steps, walking towards the edge of my terrace. So this is not the reason why you buy this phone for, but the reason is this. So the manual mode, which I'm using right now, has some cool options like directional mic. So the wind is blowing opposite to me. I can actually control the direction of the mic. So as the wind is blowing opposite to me, I am directing the mic towards me. So hope you guys can hear me speak. And now I'm redirecting the mic in the opposite direction of my face, that is towards the wind. The wind is blowing directly to me. And as I speak, I am directing the mic towards me. So hope this explains how the directional mic on this phone works.
सब्सक्राइब कीजिए मेरे चैनल वायरू को और क्लिक कीजिए बेल नोटिफिकेशन आइकन लेटेस्ट अपडेट्स पाने के लिए। इन वीडियोस को लाइक और शेयर करना मत भूलिएगा। आप भेज सकते हैं अपने फीडबैक कमेंट सेक्शन में, और फॉलो कर सकते हैं मुझे कुछ चुनिंदा सोशल मीडिया वेबसाइट्स पे, जिनके लिंक्स आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मिल जाएंगे।